Be like the lotus. Trust in the light. Grow through the dirt. Believe in new beginnings. Hello everyone. Today I'm here to teach you a mixed media painting. I'll be using soft pastels and watercolors. I'll be proceeding step by step. So the first step is your drawing. Your drawing is the most important part of your painting. Soft pastels are like chalk. They are smooth and powdery. They give a beautiful effect when blended in the right way. I'm giving an outline to my drawing with the colors which I have to use. Always remember, just like oil pastels, soft pastels also smudge very easily, and never keep your hand over the colored area. We'll be keeping in mind the color shading and mixing techniques. Let's take a closer look. I'm using a cloth on my finger to blend the color with my fingertip. You can use earbuds or blenders. I'm blending the pink color with white so that I will get tones of pink color. For the first coat, just apply the color very roughly because we are going to blend it afterwards. Just observe how the blended effect comes out. Now, I'm applying the first coat of color on the leaves. These soft pastels are dusky like chalks, so after putting the color you have to blow out the excess color. Now I'm applying the second coat of color. try to capture anything in realistic manner, we see there are different shades. In pink you will find bit of red, purple, green somewhere. Like this, you will find many colors when you observe anything. Anything you observe and capture in a realistic manner, draw it in a realistic manner, there are various uncountable colors. You just have to learn how to observe the colors. Adding detail to the leaves will change its physical features. It will show the depth, the curves of the leaves. Now we will start with the background. I'll be using watercolor. I'm taking a thick shade when I am doing the parts nearby the main subject, our main pastel colors, because those are chalk and we need to be very careful when doing the background with watercolor. You can turn the sheet and the other side there are no main subject, so we can just pour out the color. I'm doing the background in abstract way. So this way you can have the combination of different colors and different medias. Any media will suit you. It just depends on creativity, your thinking level. And it's done. I'll be removing the masking tape, with which I have got a beautiful frame. I hope you enjoyed watching me. Do something creative today. Make a mixed media painting. Thank you for watching.